Teaching young children can be a task, but if you go about it in a fun and happy way, they will learn much easier. I have been teaching young children for 2 years now. And when we are doing our counting, I try to relate it to something that may have caught their attention on television. We count to 5. And when we get to number 5, and my hand has that 5 up, this is their cue to start singing a song that we learned from TV. $5, $5 for long. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you and see you soon.